What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today's video we're doing it a little bit different. No professional backdrop. Today is a little more heart-to-heart conversation, content creator to content creators watching this. Today I'll be sharing everything I do from start to finish whenever I plan my videos and basically how I make my YouTube videos. So if any of you who are content creators themselves are interested in my workflow and things that I do, maybe you can learn a few things, maybe you can tell me a few things that I can implement in my workflow. Today's video is going to be about all of that. With that said, if this sounds interesting, drop a like, notification. With that said, if this sounds interesting, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step that I usually do is think about an idea. Now this idea can be anything. Now usually video ideas when it comes to my workflow are always at the back of my mind. YouTube has been a job model that has no time limits. It's there when I go to sleep, it's there when I wake up. It's just 24/7 working in your head. So I don't have to go out and think about ideas. I know what's working well, I know the things that I have to do. But that's the thing, you just have to be intuitive and passionate about the ideas that you want to create videos on. And more often than not, if you're watching this, you already have an idea at the back of your head on what you want to do when you want to upload a video or create a new video from scratch. If you don't think about that idea, there's I'd love to tell you that you need to come on the 17th floor and stand in your balcony while observing the intricacies of life, and that is how ideas come to you. But the answer is there is no hard and fast rule. You could think about an idea when you're sitting in your washroom, you could think about it when you're doing nothing and browsing through Instagram. It's all about when inspiration decides to strike you. So just keep an open mind, keep thinking about stuff that you want to create videos on, and chances are the ideas will come to you. Once you have the ideas, I actually have a really little quick tool, a neat little collaboration remote tool application that will let you get a lot of YouTube stuff done a lot quicker. So once you have your idea, let's move on to the next step and let's talk about that application. Alright, so once you have thought about the idea that you want to create a video on, what I usually do is open up Taskade. Now Taskade is a place where you can take your productivity to the next level. Essentially, it's a free remote collaboration work tool, meaning you can go right now to taskade.com from the link in the description below, and you'll be greeted by this. Over here, you can create new workspaces, subspaces, and basically create a place where you can write down tasks and task lists and complete them. That automatically works in real time between your computer, your phone, your Android devices, your iOS devices, your laptops, what have you. And the best part, especially if you're working in teams, you can also add your team members. Now, if you will have a look at my Taskade workspace here, I already have created a productivity workspace as well as a YouTube workspace. Now, inside the YouTube workspace, I have a subspace called Weekly Scripts, where I can basically, open it up, open this and insert the video titles here. I can write the scripts below, and honestly, this just makes this super simple, my entire workflow very easy. And the best part is, as I said, you can always go over on the top and invite people into this workspace. So I can invite Utkarsh, and let's say if I write edit first video here, and I can just use the hashtag or tag Utkarsh and just tag him, and whenever he opens this, he gets a notification on his phone. You've also got a chat box where you can talk to your team members live on the go, start a video conference, cycle through different views. And in case you guys would like to know a little more about Taskade, and who better to know it from than from the guy who's recommending it to you, I highly recommend you check out this playlist, Taskade for Content Creators. It's a playlist of 6 videos uploaded on Taskade's main channel. I helped create some of these videos, and I honestly think you guys would genuinely understand how to use Taskade the way I use it, and you'll also help your productivity a lot more. Trust me, this is what I do every single time. I've been doing this for the past 3 months now whenever I start videos. As you can see, I have created a whole lot of workspaces just for me to get more done when it comes to YouTube. And if you guys know about my consistency recently, the fact that it has increased, well, what do you know? 50% of that thanks goes to Taskade, 50% goes to me wanting to create more content for you guys. So yeah, alright, so once you've used Taskade, to increase your productivity, and scripted everywhere. I usually try to script my videos in Taskade itself, so that if I have a script writer in the near future, I can add them in there as well and they can access it from there. And Utkarsh also knows what are the editing notes when he's sitting there for the final edit. So now the third step is, of course, the main step, the execution part, where most people miss out on, which is shooting the video. So this is the final step. This is where you shoot the video. Now for me, love to show you guys around. As you guys can see, we've got a black backdrop here, and let me just try and control the camera, so I'll show you guys where I usually shoot. So this is the area over there, is a piece of backdrop that I use to shoot. And here are the couple of products that I've been shooting recently. Now this is where I talk about the products. This is where I sit and I just create a frame using the same camera that I am using right now. And that is just how simple it is for me to get started and get shooting. Now once the video has been shot, we'll move to the editing process, but that is where Utkarsh edits the video. I'll try to put in a few clips of B-roll, but once that is done, there really isn't anything left but to upload the video. And that is what we're going to be talking about next, how to make sure that your SEO game is on top for uploading the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, the video is finally getting rendered, and as you guys saw, the editing workflow, me and Utkarsh's workflow, is actually pretty simple. So I usually give him all the footage and tell him what the video is all about. He also takes notes from Taskade's amazing tool that we have showcased today. And once all of that is done, he usually just goes ahead and starts editing the video, and then I come in and see what he has done, and we both share bounce ideas off of each other, and then we come to the final product. Once he's done with the final edit, I sit here, put the headphones on and see the video from start to finish, tighten up a few screws here and there, and really make sure that the video is completely polished and everything is done, all the transitions, the titles and the grading and everything. And once that is done, we sit here and render the video. And that is my video creation process from start to finish. Now I would love to go into details and talk about what are the things that you should make sure when you upload the video. How should your thumbnails be, and how should your entire SEO be if you want to rank in YouTube. If in case that sounds interesting to you guys, definitely let me know, because I could definitely do something like that in like a part 2, talking about thumbnails and SEO and how you can make sure that your videos rank. And with that said, hope you guys really like this video. If you do like the episode, be sure to drop a like, it really helps. Subscribe to the channel for more. Definitely check out Taskade for Creators playlist. I worked with Taskade in making those videos, and I'm sure if you want to use Taskade for your own workflow, it will definitely help you guys. So be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. This is Arnav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Peace out. Another day.